They simply swim around and can be seen in different parts of the ocean. One of the largest creatures and the apex predators in the ocean are the sharks. Megalodon was listed as the biggest shark and the largest fish ever existed. Megalodon lived approximately 23 to 3.6 million years ago, during the early Miocene to the Pliocene. Studies estimate that the body mass of adult megalodons ranged from roughly 30,000 kilograms to more than 65,000 kilograms, and a length up to 25 meters. In reverse to megalodon, smallest shark is the dwarf lantern shark. Dark brown with black markings, it has large, elongated eyes that allow it to see in almost complete darkness in its habitat deep in the ocean, reaching a maximum known length of 20 centimeters. Currently, the largest shark is the whale shark, a gigantic harmless filter-feeding carpet shark. The largest confirmed individual had a length of 18.8 meters. Most specimens that have been studied, however, weighed about 15 tons and averaged about 12 meters in length. Unlike other sharks, whale shark hunts for food at or near the surface of the ocean. The great white sharks are the largest predatory fish on Earth. They grow to an average of 15 feet in length, those specimens exceeding 20 feet and weighing up to 5,000 pounds. As apex predators, sharks play an important role in the ecosystem by maintaining the species below them in the food chain and serving as an indicator for ocean health. There are 100 different species of sharks, which are divided into different families. These families of sharks are very different in the way they look, live, and eat. They have different shapes, sizes, color, fins, teeth, habitat, diet, personality, method of reproduction, and other attributes. Sharks may have up to 3,000 teeth at one time. Most sharks do not chew their food, but gulp it down whole in large pieces. The teeth are arranged in rows. When one tooth is damaged or lost, it is replaced by another. Fully grown sharks range in size from 7 inches long, up to 50 feet long. Most sharks are intermediate in size, and are about the same size as people, 5 to 7 feet long. Because sharks grow slowly, and have a low reproductive rate, scientists believe that sharks are relatively long-lived. As of yet, there is no accurate way to determine the age and lifespan of a shark. Sharks do not normally attack people, and only about 25 species of sharks are known to attack people. Sharks attack fewer than 100 people each year. Many more people are killed by bees or lightning. The sharks that are the most dangerous to people are the great white shark, the tiger shark, the bull shark, and the oceanic white-tip shark. The bull shark is the most frequent attacker of people as it swims in very shallow waters where people swim, and is a very plentiful shark. Some of the other sharks that are known to have attacked people include the gray shark, blue shark, hammerhead shark, mako shark, nurse shark, lemon shark, blacktip reef shark, wobbegongs, santiger, spitting sharks, and the portugal.